How to fix the syncing is paused error in Google Chrome. So if you're seeing a message that says syncing is paused, there's actually a couple of things we can do to go and fix this. So if you're seeing this message that says syncing is paused, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. So first click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side of your browser and then go and select settings. From the left hand side, click on privacy and security and then select site settings. Now scroll down to the very bottom and click on additional content settings. Scroll down again until you see an option for on-device site data and click on this. Make sure allow sites to save your data on your device is checked like this. Then you'll need to scroll down to allow to save data on your device. Go and click on the add button. Now you just need to type in accounts.google.com and then press add. And once you've done that, you can come back over to privacy and security in the left hand side, click on delete browsing data and go and check all of these options. You'll then need to press the delete data button, and once you've done both of these steps you can close out of Google Chrome, make sure it's completely shut down, and then you'll just need to restart your browser and that should have solved the syncing error. So if you go and click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, as long as you have the sync turned on, this should now be working.